Right, good afternoon, everyone. So, have you guys heard of social work, social policy, sociology? Well, what about social-ology? No? Well, here at UNSW 1001, we're learning the science of making friends. So get settled and welcome to the course, everyone. So lesson 1 is icebreakers. So the journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step, and that step is saying hello to people in class. Now I know that this can be really nerve-wracking. Your heart beats faster and you get that irrational fear of rejection. So here are some tips for you to get to know people in your class. 1, say hi to them in class. 2, ask what their degree is. 3, go to events, there's plenty of them around campus. And 4, book in a friend date.
Hey, so what are you studying?
Oh, I study commerce and media.
Oh, nice. Do you want to get a coffee?
Sure.
So you made a friend. Lesson 2 is to consolidate. Our science shows that if you facilitate an out-of-class interaction within a week of initial contact, your chances of keeping that friend go up 260%. Remember to ask them questions about themselves and to keep it light and casual.
Hey, did you get an OE?
Yeah, I did. I'm so glad it was in person.
Yeah, how many clubs did you join?
I actually joined a few here and there. They had some freebies, which I could not resist.
Oh, got it.
Lesson 3 is to consolidate your friendships with the full suite of digital interactions. Chuck your mate a follow on Insta and send them a cheeky meme. You can even message them on Discord and start studying together. So there you have it. Making friends is scientifically easy. Now it's your turn to put theory into practice.